we're starting our trip to Cancun. Here's my stuff, and we are late. Bye, laptop. I'll see you when I get back. What are you doing? Oh my god, you're gonna die.
Cookie jar.
How many moves? How many moves?
I just need one cake down.
And up. Hopefully we'll be my next destination. Yay, we're in Cancun. Where at?
Tourist service lalla.
This is a big line for immigration.
We are prepaid.
It's gonna be interesting. We're in Cancun now, so let's see the view. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to get to the beach. Here's our room. This is our room. One bed, one sofa where I'm gonna sleep, and they put the suitcases there. And this is all of our stuff. There's like a fridge there, 2 TVs, and a bathroom. Now we're walking to the hotel, Ananya's hotel. This is gonna take a while. We don't know where we're going, but look at the view. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. Hi, we are at beach. Yeah, look at the beach. We were in there. I was in there for 2 hours. They were in there for 5 hours. Yeah. Oh my god. I feel good though. It feels really good.
I think I've had enough salt in my body for the whole year next year.
Yeah, I know. I had like good like salt water.
Are we?
We are as we are. Yeah. How's your flight?
It was good.
We had a direct flight.
It was 3
That's
hours.
awesome. Oh, good. 3-hour flight?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, ours was 2 stops, and then Dallas was. Oh no, we went to Houston. Houston was like sketchy.
You got something on your nose.
Oh, good. Good. That's good for the vlog. So we took a shower, and then we are gonna go get some dinner. Where are we planning to go? Where? Natural. And what is that gonna be? Like, just like authentic Mexican food. Authentic Mexican food.
Yeah.
Here we have tapas, which is really cool. And then this is, what does this have in it? Tell me.
Apple, pineapple,
Yeah.
lime,
And orange. And mine has spinach, lime, pineapple, and orange too. And do you like it?
Tomorrow we'll do guava.
Yeah, we'll do guava juice tomorrow. I think we couldn't really speak Spanish properly and get what we wanted. Our food is here, and I have tacos. Papa has quesadillas. That looks really good. And you have, oh my goodness, enchiladas. Those look really good. And we're done almost eating, and we finished it, like complete plate was done. That doesn't normally happen, so that was new for us, but the food was amazing. It was really light, so that was a really good part. How did you like the food?
Great.
How did you like the food? Really good? Awesome. So now we met up with Ananya and Siddharth again. It's really dark, I don't know if you can see. Hi! Hi. Yeah, but basically, yeah, we just ate a bunch of dinner.
I feel like I'm gonna explode.
Ooh, I can see you now. Hi! Ooh, you look so funny! They're all the parents planning out their
I'm
whatever.
gonna explode.
Explode?
I'm gonna explode.
Ready? What even? I don't know. But yeah, what time is it? It is, can't see, 9:30. Oh my god, my dad's gonna yell at me.
Why is
Oh
your
yeah.
dad gonna yell at you?
He hates it when I make the footage really shaky, so he's gonna be like, "What are you doing?" It's so shaky. Yeah.
Why are you pointing at the ground? Okay, good.
I know. I was like, where am I pointing it at? Anyways, you can't see anything.
Lol.
I don't see anything. Yeah. All right. It's the next morning, and we're eating breakfast. And they have amazing fruits and all of this like bread stuff, and it looks really good. Say hi. And look at our view. Look at our view. Oh my god. So now we're gonna go swimming with the dolphins. I'm super excited. Hopefully it's gonna work out. We made a sketchy deal in the airport, so technically it's gonna be free. I don't know. It's gonna be interesting though. Are you excited, Mommy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, my mom is scared that we're gonna die, but I'm super excited. Yeah, I still can't get over this view. It's so nice outside. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, it's so pretty. I could just stay here forever. I think so. Yes. Hi.
Hi!
Are you excited? I can't see. You excited for this?
With dolphins now.
Yeah, we're gonna swim with dolphins. I briefed them in the hotel. I felt really special. I was actually watching a lot of this, and it looks okay.
That's good.
So yeah, hopefully it'll turn out well. Yeah. Super excited though. I also realized that you can't go like this. It looks really weird.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah, it looks really crap. I was like, oh no. We are in Beach Palace now. Look at this place. Hi. Look at this. That's so pretty. Oh my god, and there's a bunch of fish. And the lobby. And here's our family.
Look, there's fish. Stop. Well, I'm gonna jump. Do you think that I can make
This
it
is
into
so
water?
beautiful.
You would die.
Smile.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna take. This is the other side. This is the other side of the Cancun.
Going on Snapchat.
Snapchat. Oh, I need to go on Snapchat. Update my life. And look at this thing. I don't know what it is, but it's cool looking. Looks like Mayan something.
Are you vlogging?
I am vlogging.
Ooh.
So I think so excited by my vlogging.
I am.
He's like ready to watch this already. We haven't even stayed here a day. Look at this room though. Oh my god.
Yes, it's really, really comfortable, really, really beautiful.
And then there's this whole
How
part.
the membership works? Okay, downstairs?
Look at that. And then yeah, I think we're leaving, but like look at this room though. We should just come here on our own without the parents. Ooh, panorama. Ooh, look at that.
Squeezy.
Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, trying to make it.
Start out vlogging with.
I know. I don't like film myself.
Na 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 na.
What if we're doing a business deal right now?
Before I leave, I want to
We are doing a business deal.
very hard.
All right, we're not.
Consider doing this right now because we don't have the time. We cannot.
Apparently you can't zoom when you're like doing video.
We are at Palace.
Yeah, this is a really good resort that we came to. Basically, we got conned into something. Yeah, we consciously took a decision, convinced to find this Oh wow, Mom. No, but basically, we now have 20 weeks to any
Free
Palace
vacation.
resort, which is this amazing place that we have. Yeah, together. Over 15 years. So hopefully.
Free food.
Yes, the free food. We already basically ate everything, but that's okay, I guess. Let's just look at the desserts. Like this is chocolate cake, and this is Tres Leche's cake, and I'm super excited.
Leche is milk.
Yes, 3 milks.
What?
Yeah, and then I just had a bunch of random food, and I'm like, but yeah, life is good right now.
I ate
Yes.
pizza.
Yeah, we had pizza,
I ate mashed potatoes
mashed potatoes,
and potatoes
and potatoes.
and corn.
How good is it?
after this
It's
trip,
like so good that I can't even speak.
wait,
That's
after this
awesome.
trip, I'm gonna gain 10 pounds.
Yeah, no problem with that.
Let's just take
Hello.
You always start with my face.
I know, it's always his face. And yeah, now the dads are eating. Basically, we're not gonna go dolphin touring today, but we will be going tomorrow at 3:30, and it's gonna be really fun. Now, like all of us get to go, and that's exciting. Yay! And I spilled my Sprite all over me, so that's good. That's good news.
When Aishi vlogs the bad parts of a trip.
All over me. I am sticky, but it is okay.
Because we're not doing anything much today.
Yeah, we're just gonna go to the beach and soak all that up, so we're all good. But whew, that was an experience.
I put ice in my flip flop,
Oh goodness,
and it hurt.
it hurt. Yeah, I felt like I got like an ice bath.
To 20.
I know, that was such a sketchy deal. Like I don't know how this is gonna go, but 130. That's like straight up 2 years of tuition. Like, oh my god. But yeah, hopefully this is gonna go well. Now, Suggs is playing Smashy Road.
How do you know?
I saw it when you.
Oh.
It's like Crossy Road, but nah.
Well, bam, kill him.
Ooh.
Wait, watch this, watch this, watch this. Boom, I killed him.
Ooh. No. I look atrocious. I look too bad. Oh, look at Anya's hair. Isn't it so nice? Oh, it looks so good on the camera.
Oh really?
It looks really cool. Oh, so jealous. I'm gonna get my mom to let me do that
Guess
one
how
day.
much all three of these are together?
How much?
Don't tell. It is $25.
Oh, look at my mom trying on the jewelry.
The moms are trying to get some jewelry, but that ain't gonna happen, let's be honest. But yeah, everything's really cool.
Can I see the camera?
Yes. Siddharth is a prince person. So we're still waiting.
Yeah.
I don't know where the dads are, but
I don't either.
we're waiting to go to the beach.
Mom, which beach are we going to?
But whose beach are we going to?
Should I go change?
Yeah, but we're still planning.
And it's
out.
like 4:18. It's gonna get dark.
I know, we just want to go into the beach and just chill vibes
Watch
it out.
Video back, I just yawned uglily.
Ooh. Alright, Brandon. So this is the other hotel. This is the hotel we're at right now. It is beautiful. Obviously better and more expensive than ours, but
And
you know, chill vibe.
I'm not sure that we're allowed to be here.
But it's alright. Look at this place.
Ping pong.
Ping pong. Oh, dang.
Just like cover your face.
We're at the beach now. We're all excited to go. Oh. Okay. Yeah, but basically, yeah, that's what's happening. I don't know. I'm excited to keep going.
Wait, are you taking off?
I'm looking for the best spot.
Wait, are you taking off that?
Yes, of course.
Your Sprite
Definitely.
sticky shirt?
Oh yeah, I'm still really sticky and gross and gross. Well, we're done with sea. That was so much fun. Hi. Oh, this is a video. This is for. I'm gonna do a video for this, and you're gonna be in this. Yeah, Amma, did you do it? Amma, did you do it? Yeah, Auntie did it. Uncle did it. Everyone did it. And you did it.
It was really rough.
Hi. Okay, that was fun. So yeah, we just finished that, and now we're tired. So we're gonna do this. No, because then it comes like this, and it looks weird. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Let's see how it goes.
LOL.
Did you have fun, Siddharth?
Yes.
Which one was better, today or yesterday?
I don't know. They both are good in their own way.
Exactly. I feel like this was good for like a workout, and that was good for like a chill vibe.
And I thought that one was rough.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh my god, I went under like 3 times. It was.
I went under like 6 times there.
I know, right?
At the Peace Corps.
I know. It was like crazy. It was really fun though. So we booked a trip to Chichen Itza tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Day after tomorrow. So we're gonna be going on this like big tour bus, and it's gonna be really fun. And now we're eating dinner at the hotel, and those are all desserts. I know you can't really see them, but I will go up there closer, and we'll be surrounded by, and it's gonna be super good. Are you excited?
Some
Chichen Itza? Are you excited for
Chichen
Chichen Itza?
Chichen Itza.
Chichen Itza.
It's like a chicken.
No.
Chichen Itza.
I know, everyone here is like, it's like chicken pizza. I'm like, no, just make us say it right, you know?
Chichen Itza.
Chichen Itza.
Chichen Itza.
Good job, good job.
Chichen Itza.
Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm really excited for that. There's this like big sinkhole where you can like take a bath and stuff. It's gonna be awesome. Ooh, sinkhole. Ooh. I'm just eating, we have guacamole and this really freshly made salsa with tortilla chips, actual tortilla chips. These are made from tortillas. And then we have tomatillo sauce.
It's really picante.
Hey! We came to their hotel. Their hotel is lovely. Lovely. What? Oh, Auntie, I love your outfit. This is a great outfit. See? Great outfit going on. My hair is unacceptable as well.
Vlog at dinner.
Vlog at dinner. Dinner was so funny. I have to tell you about it. But like, oh, look at this place. We were just at our hotel, right? And then we were like, hey, we're vegetarian. And then they were like, oh, we barely have anything vegetarian for you guys. So then we'll like give you a bunch of food. So they just like gave us like individual chips and guac and like refried beans and like pasta. And we basically have enough for tomorrow's dinner as well. So we're basically set. No, that missed you. But yeah, this place is beautiful. Yeah.
Wait, no, but did you vlog after the beach?
Yes, a little bit, just a little bit. And they had amazing desserts. The desserts were really cute. But yeah, this is like a really awkward arm position. I'm trying to figure out my arm. I'm vlogging.
I'm gonna explode again.
Ooh. That is a donkey right there. That is an actual donkey. I know you can't see it, but that is so cool. Hi! Siddharth is rocking that hat. Ooh! We're in a big, huge souvenir store. Oh my god, this place is amazing. I need to find a lanyard. That's what I need to do. I'm so mirror. But yeah.
Is this copyrighted music?
Oh, whatever. We are back in the hotel now. We're just lounging and we're gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow we will be swimming with dolphins and it's gonna be super exciting. I am very excited. Are you, Emma?